Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. The Samsung Galaxy S21 series is now in a rumor mill from past week or so. Three new models just like the S21 series will be going to be announcing on the event, which is probably going to be in January according to different leaks, in which we got the CAD based render for two of the models, the Galaxy S21 and the S21 Ultra earlier this week, and which gives us a pretty much good detail what to look for both of these devices in terms of design. But now we are getting a leak for the Galaxy S21 Plus series as well that has been surfaced online, which showcases a similar flat display like the base model of S21. Despite the flat display instead of the curved edges, the front is pretty much similar to the Galaxy S21 Plus devices. We have a same punch hole camera in the top center of the device, so no under display camera sensor in the Galaxy S21 Plus devices is going to be seen. So maybe this technology is not yet been advanced to be introduced in the Samsung devices. I personally think that this camera tech might be seen in the future in A series devices, where Samsung makes some tests and trials to look at new technologies which they don't want to put in their flagship level device. And I hope based on these CAD renders, the bezels are slim, and honestly I love that design. Well, on the back side we have a same triple camera setup just like the Galaxy S21, and on the back we also see an awkward LED flashlight present on the smartphone body. The button, ports and the SIM tray are pretty much same as the Galaxy S21 base model as well. In a new leak which has also been appeared on Twitter account, gives us a real life photo of what prompted to be a triple camera setup for the Galaxy S21 or S21 Plus devices. The new images gives us a pretty much good detail that the back camera sensor might be coming with a metal frame on the back side, and that is a pretty much new design when we compare it with the previous generation of Galaxy S20 series. Also, this new leak has confirmed that the previous CAD renders which we have seen for the base model of S21 are going to be pretty much accurate, and we may see this kind of a design in terms of the S21 series next year. Ross Young, a popular leakster on Twitter, leaked the color option for the S21 series all model. According to the leak, the Galaxy S21 series is coming with a 4 different color option for the base model Galaxy S21, and that is going to be gray, pink, violet and white color. Whereas the S21 Plus is coming with a black and silver color options, whereas the S21 Ultra is coming with 3 different color options, the black, silver and violet color. We also know based on leaks that the Samsung Galaxy S21 series is going to be announcing earlier next year, and that is going to be in January next year. So guys, these are some earlier leaks. Right now we are not sure yet whether these leaks are to be implemented inside the upcoming Galaxy S21 series or not. So take these leaks as a pinch of salt. So if you want to keep yourself updated regarding latest news for the Samsung and other brands, do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.